Video tutorials by Andrew Buckle. In this video I'm just going to show you how you can create interesting pattern designs using fonts. Particular design graphic extras diagonal font set pack 191. Now don't have to use that one, of course, you can use any font. Now I'm just going to go over to the type tool and I'm just going to create the design by typing the character, and there's a whole range of different characters in this designs, so you can just type various R and T and whatever. I'm going to go with a lowercase d. Now there's the design. Now what you can do then, once you've actually got that, you can go to the type menu and convert to shape, and then you can, and I'm going to fit it actually to the document. So what I'm going to try and achieve, and when you do this you can actually get the point there. You see the smart guide appear. If you actually can't see the smart guide, go to show smart guides. And I've actually done this earlier. Pretty easy just to quickly go to another document, and here it is. I've actually put the various things all up to the smart guide, so it's all just around exactly on the edge along there. Right, so once you've actually done that, I'm just going to go to layer. Now what you can do then is edit and define pattern. Click OK. Of course that's saved. Now you don't have to do that, you can actually continue with it, making a much more interesting pattern than that. You can maybe select rectangle tool. I'm just going to go for a pasty, just lower that down a bit and just select there and select at that point there. So you can actually just then fill the central bit with red. You've still got obviously the design there. That's another possibility. Also, of course, you can add other parts. You don't actually have to just stay with this single design. You can actually just go to, say, ellipse. And this one I'm just going to apply with 100%. So opacity 100%. You could obviously then just fill it in the center there. Maybe make, and I'm just going to go now for black, and then just fill around the edge here. There's numerous sort of things. Obviously this is just a starting point. These designs can be just used numerous ways. Just fill that all around. Maybe fill it with other colors. You can actually obviously just use, say, like a selection. Just select that area and then fill that color with, say, like edit and hue saturation. Maybe change the color slightly so you can get there. Select. Another possibility is, of course, to add more to it. Just go there. Make certain you avoid the seams. That's the key thing here, because unless you don't mind having a sort of a sudden break in the pattern. But I'm just going to select that area, and again you can just go now to filter gallery, say. So I'm just going to go into the filter gallery, maybe apply a filter effect. You can see these numerous filter effects you can apply, because you don't have to. Click OK. Once you've done that, deselect. Now another thing you can do also is you can select all, just go edit and copy, and then paste, and then resize that, so you can actually add that on top of the other one, and you can really literally create thousands of variations just from a single font design. So it's just a starting point, but you can create vast numbers of tiles. Right, once you've actually done that, you can actually layer styles as well as another one. Drop shadow and click OK. Now finished, layer, flatten, and you just go to edit and define pattern. Click OK. And now you can just go to, say, like layer, new fill layer and pattern. Click OK, and you can see now it's a pattern design that can be set to, say, 25 or 50. Say, click OK.